So there's the big Hurricane Lee, like a Cat 5. And if the Trump event is going to be on the 27th, 2 days before a full moon, Hurricane Lee weather tracker, they will send a category 4 or 5, and it'll go right through where I live. I'll guarantee it. The storm would hit as the storm on the earth would begin, because they control the weather, right? Sure you do. So if it was going to hit right here in Central Florida on the 27th or the 29th, the full moon rising day, spiritual rising day for the Antichrist, it would be in the news as potential by September 21st. So around the 18th, 19th, 20th. Well, really around the 18th. Yeah, depending whether you're talking about it hitting the 27th or the 29th. I watched them slow one down and stop it over the Bahamas, where it just stayed for like 2 days. That's not normal. I saw one hit Houston, come back out in the Gulf, go back in, hit Houston again. And I went back years later just to look it up to see if that's what really happened. And it showed the pattern of it hitting, coming back out, refueling, going back in. Remember Bush's statement? An angel rides in the whirlwind and directs this storm, or something like that. You wonder if the fallen angels, Satan is the prince of the power of the air, an angel rides in the I can't remember exactly how it goes. Angel rides in the, I'm just going to say world, directs this storm. An angel rides in the whirlwind and directs this storm. Yep. And this is what we call truth in plain sight.
Do you not think an angel rides in the whirlwind and directs this storm, nor the battle to the strong? Do you not think an angel rides in the whirlwind and directs this storm? Do you not think an angel rides in the whirlwind and directs this storm? Do you not think an angel rides in the whirlwind?
Yeah, we pretty much do think that potentially an angel does ride in the whirlwind and direct storms. I wouldn't doubt it a bit. They can control the weather in other ways, I'm more than sure. But if our creator God has given Satan that type of power to do that, yikes. So yeah, let's keep an eye out 2 days before the full moon. If one doesn't hit right here in Central Florida, we would start to see rumblings about it around September 19th, 20th, 18th, 19th, 20th. It takes, I don't know. Yeah, usually takes about 8 days to get to where it's going to go. When it's way out in the Atlantic, when they first start giving you a pattern. So anyway, love you.